So hello everyone, in this video we will be talking about how to generate QR codes. So before this we have to install the QR code library, so we can install it. So it's saying that requirement already satisfied. मैंने पहले से इसको लाइब्रेरी को इंस्टॉल कर लिया है, आप चाहें तो इसको कर सकते हैं पहले इंस्टॉल। उसके बाद से हमें यहाँ इंपोर्ट करना पड़ेगा, इंपोर्ट QR कोड। इंपोर्ट करने के बाद हम इसको एक वेरिएबल में सेव करेंगे, लाइक इमेज इक्वल टू, उसके बाद से qr.code.make. If you wish you can give your name, because we want to just create and know that how it looks. I'm giving my name, Vivek Verma. We know that whenever we give some data to convert it into QR codes, first it will be converted to the SKY values, and from the SKY values it will be converted to the binary codes. And we know that when the binary code is 1, the QR code dot will be black, and when the binary code is 0, the QR code dot will be white. So let's save this. Is dot save. We can save it with the name vivek.png. We will do this in comma. Now if we run this code, so as I run this code, I got here vivek.png. If you click on this, you will get a QR code. See, this is the QR code. And if we are going to change the data, like I have written Vivek Verma, if I write Vivek Singh, if I write Vivek Singh, then you can see here the QR code will change. See, the QR code is changed. This is the new QR code, but we have to run it again when we are changing the data. Now see the QR code. See, the QR code is different. So this is how you can convert data into the QR code.